Wechat Sen himself on Chinese New Year Day in Zhongshan, China, Guangdong. Looking around, many people. Display of the Chinese New Year festivities, they're displaying the bridge, which is actually coming from Shenzhen to Cuihun, which is Zhongshan, where the new ferry port is. And the cranes and the train, the fast train, is also coming. So Zhongshan's a good location, and the Chinese people are very proud of Zhongshan. Me too. I'm not sure what they're singing, but it sounds nice and it sounds like everybody's enjoying themselves. So, happy Chinese New Year from Zhongshan. This here is one of the main government buildings in Zhongshan. They've beautifully decorated it here in preparation for the holidays. After the holidays, we will have a charity parade. Every year we have a charity parade, and it comes from here all the way around and all the way down the most beautiful street in Zhongshan. All the way down, and they put all decorations all the way down, and they'll have people coming from different companies and different nationalities and do a charity parade all the way down to promote Zhongshan. And all the way down on there's billboards about the developments and everything else which is happening in Zhongshan. So 19th of February I'll be here with the International Foreign Friends Group supporting Zhongshan, walking down this street. I believe it starts at 8:30 in the morning, which is not good for me, but I'm all for supporting Zhongshan, so I'll be here. So this is the Zhongshan Charity Parade. It's just about to start. I'm late as usual. And we see the wonderful people here, so have a look.
颁布了粤港澳大湾区的规划纲要。